Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if Snapchat video sound is not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are unable to listen to the Snapchat video sound and you are unable to turn it on, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all you have to simply check your volume from this button. So I simply increase the volume from here and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to turn off silent mode from here as well in your iPhone. So I do this, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then you have to force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device, and after this check if the video sound on your Snapchat is working right now or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that your software is updated. So as after this, go back and again scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and tap on Snapchat from here, and offload your Snapchat from here for one time from here. So I do this, and after this you have to open your app store in your device. So I simply open your app store, and from here search for Snapchat in your device. So I search here for Snapchat. Here it is. So guys, from here you have to simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat in your device. So I install the latest version of Snapchat, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.